My name's Michelle, and if you're new here, thank you for watching and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to be doing something exciting, and we are going to be making omelets. Now, I know what you're thinking, omelets, really? Those are so easy. Well, exactly. Now, everyone makes their omelets a little bit differently, so if you have a different way how you make your omelets, that's totally fine, not a big deal. But today, we are going to be making omelets with 2 eggs, some spinach, salt and pepper, and some cheese. First things first, we are going to turn our stovetop to medium heat, and then I've already pre-greased up my pan so my eggs don't stick. So we are going to take 2 large eggs. Let's see if I can crack this with one hand. Oh yeah. Egg-celent. We are going to break up our yolks. And then after this, I usually like to add my salt and my pepper. So some pepper. And then some salt. And then next, I'm going to add my spinach. Now you can use as much as you want. I don't want a lot of spinach, but this is a good amount. And then next comes the good part, the cheese. Right, now that we have all our ingredients in, we just gotta wait a little bit for the eggs to start getting a little bit whiter. That way we can get ready to flip. Next comes the hard part. We're gonna try and flip this bad boy. Whoa. This is a lot harder to do with one hand than I thought. Perfect. So now that our omelet is a golden brown, we can now turn our heat off and we can plate our omelet. All right, now it's time to test this bad boy out. That's good. All right, well that's all I have for y'all today. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I will leave the ingredients and the recipe down below in the description box. If you like this type of video, leave me a comment in the comment section so I can continue to make videos for you. Yeah, that's all I have. I will see you in my next video. Bye.